Um, Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another segment of misconceptions about Yoruba history and history in general. So, I was asked to talk about the Bini people claiming that Oduduwa is from their side. I was asked by a fan to talk about it. So, first off, the Benis are claiming that the word Oba means nothing in Yoruba and it is from their own side. Meanwhile, they are not aware that the meaning of Oba in Yoruba is king. And in Ile-Ife, we have Oba Loron, Oba Laye, Oba Dio, Oba Leshu, Oba Lufun, Oba Tala. We have numerous of Oba. So it is not from their side. Again, I want to ask the Bini people just maybe 3-4 questions, and I'll really be glad if they can answer us. I'm talking to my Beninese brothers and sisters out there, and please kindly share this video to them. Maybe they can give an answer to this. First off, Oduduwa did not come from the Beninese. No. Igodomigodo, where we call Benin today, was actually called Igodomigodo, Idun land. And then later on, the person actually said again that Oduduwa came from Mecca. No, Oduduwa did not come from Mecca, because how old is even Saudi Arabia, Mecca as a whole? There's nothing like Middle East. It is just recent, and it is the Yoruba saying that Oduduwa came from Mecca is the Yorubas that just wants to feel among, with this Islam religion that, that they consume. They just want to feel a sense of among. That's why they just, create that propaganda fable that it came from Mecca or Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, Mecca, there's nothing like Middle East. There's nothing like Saudi Arabia in how many thousands of years ago. So it is not like that. That's good. Again, Ile-Ife is before Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ left the earth how many thousands of years? Please do the calculation yourself. Now, to the first questions to the Edos, you claim you went to Ile-Ife to call Oduduwa, that he was an exiled prince of the last Ogiso. Okay. My question is, how many ships did the Edos or the Benis send to Ile-Ife to carry Oduduwa back? How many ships? What is their name? What year precisely was it like that? And who did they meet at Ile-Ife? Who specifically, which king was on throne? Definitely it is not Oduduwa, like they normally say that Oduduwa was old, so he gave them Oromiyan to take back. No, definitely not Oduduwa. That was the reason why I asked, because Oduduwa was not alive when Oromiyan was born. Oromiyan never say face to face to the person we call Oduduwa. He wasn't alive when he was born. So which king did they meet at Ile-Ife? Which of the Oduduwa did they meet at Ile-Ife that gave them Oromiyan to take back? That's my number one question. And the name list of the chiefs that went. And why did they go to Ife specifically? Because there are many towns, many Yoruba towns before you, from Igodomigodo to Ife. There are many Yoruba towns that even existed before Ile-Ife. So why didn't they look at him, even if it is a lost and found situation? Why is it that they went straight down to Ife to ask of him? They should answer us that. Now, the second question is, why, when Oromiyan went there, he had a son, Owamika, that is corrupted to Eweka. Now, he started the Oba dynasty. Formerly in Igodomigodo, the title of their kings is called Ogiso. So why did they change from Ogiso to Oba? Why didn't they continue that their Ogiso title? Why did they change from Oba, from Ogiso to Oba? And specifically, why did they start from the son of a Yoruba man called Oromiyan, a prince, a Sooko from Ile-Ife, his son Owamika? Why did the Oba dynasty start from him? If they claim they went to Ile-Ife to carry Oromiyan, why didn't they continue with their Ogiso title? That's 2 questions. Number 3 question is, they claim they went to Ile-Ife to carry Oduduwa. Oduduwa, gave them Oromiyan to take back. Now, why didn't they allow Oduduwa to rule? Oromiyan to rule when he got there? Like, they claim they went to Ile-Ife and Oduduwa gave them Oromiyan to take back. So when they took Oromiyan back, or when Oromiyan went back there, Shebi, they are the one that went to call him. So why didn't they allow Oromiyan to rule? Why was his palace built outside? And why is that tomorrow any Oba that wants to be crowned in Benin have to do Igbele in that old first palace that Oromiyan built outside at Uselu? Why didn't they allow him to rule when he came? They went to call him. Why didn't they allow him to rule when he came? That's number 3 questions. Now, the number 4 question is a little bit dicey in the sense that why is it that whenever they are discussing or meetings like Yoruba Council of Elders meetings, what is the Oba of Benin doing in a Yoruba Council of Oba meetings? The first one that was conducted, Yoruba Council of Traditional Traditional Kings, that was, started on in 1937, that was held at Oyo. What is Oba of Benin that they claim Oba no they go transfer is doing there? What is Oba of Benin doing there? Again, why is it that all the Obas that die in Benin, their heads are always taken to Ile-Ife, in where we call Orun Oba Ado? I will not be able to include the video or the picture of the set place into this podcast, but if you need it, just contact me down below and I'll send it to you on my WhatsApp. So why is it that whenever they die, they take their head down to Ile-Ife to be buried? Why is if they are saying it's a lie? Oh well, thank God now there's DNA, so they should uproot their bodies over there and they should tell us the reason why their head is doing, what is their head of king doing in Ile-Ife. And then this present Oba of Benin went to Ile-Ife and he was taken to that Orun Oba Ado. He was taken specifically to that place. So they should tell us what the head of the Obas is doing in Ile-Ife.